I got this 2024 Silverado. And if you had to replace the gate like I did, I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to get your gaps right from the gate to both the bed sides. In this case, both the bed sides I fixed. Had a dent up there, and I had some work back here. The bumper hit it, went into it. So easiest way I like to do, take it. It got both the tail lights out. It's just 2 Torx 15s, and this is the actual 15. Loosen that side up. This side should already be loose. It is. You put everything in on your gate, then you close it. And close it on both sides. See how that moves back and forth? So what you want to do is get it even on both sides. So for instance, we grab my here. So on this side, we'll get it for the most part even. Like that. That's cool. Then I will lock this one in. Come this side, same thing. Most part it should be even. I'm gonna push it in just a little bit. Lock it in. Yeah. It should open up. You didn't hear no big ass pop. But it should open right on up. Easy money. Close it. Closes both sides evenly. As you can see, good gap all the way down. This side, good gap all the way down. Easy money.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand, and them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.